Herzlich willkommen.
Welcome to this how-to video. My name is Markus Nolte and today I will show you how to mount and dismount the cover on the M-tron 4U or M-tron for Business. After installing the wall box and closing the transparent cover, I need to check the screws for tightness. All 4 screws must be tight to ensure the housing is sealed. Next, I take this front cover and at the top of the device carrier there is a locking tab. I take the cover, insert it at the top with light pressure, slide it down to secure it and then press down with both fingers to lock the cover. The cover is now mounted. For dismounting, I recommend not using a screwdriver or sharp tool, but rather the supplied tool. The advantage of this tool is that it is flexible and softer than conventional screwdrivers. To release the cover, there are 2 holes at the bottom of the housing, 2 recesses. I take the tool at an 45-degree angle, insert it to these holes and push from the middle to the right and on the other side from the middle to the left. The cover is now unlocked and can be easily removed from the device carrier.